Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search for any device manual online. Yes, if you received from product and if you don't have a manual for the same, you can search for any manual online. So in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser, and in the browser, just simply search manual manualslib.com. It's manuallib.com, which spells like manualslib.com. Just simply search for the website, and once it get loaded, it will ask you to search for the product. If I write the product detail, it will give me the manual for the same one that I search for it. Here you can see the manual for the product. They have a manual for each and every complicated product that have a manual. For example, if I search ASUS ZenBook, you can see the manual content will of this particular will appear right in front of me. So by using it, you can access the manual for any of the product tech product you have. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.